This is one of my very, very favorite products. I love this Crest toothpaste. It's the baking soda and peroxide whitening toothpaste. I like it because it doesn't strip the inside of my mouth. It doesn't leave my gums bleeding. It does some whitening on my teeth, and it has absolutely no negatives in my opinion. Let me tell you about it. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let us know what your favorite toothpaste is, what you do like, what you don't like, so that we can all become better consumers. I purchased the Crest Value Pack, which has 2 containers of toothpaste, at Walmart in March of 2018 for $3.84. It is a relatively inexpensive toothpaste. It has baking soda and peroxide in it. Additionally, it's supposed to be whitening with tartar protection. I got the fresh mint flavor this time. The Value Pack contains 2 tubes that are 6.4 ounces each. It is supposed to leave the mouth and the breath feeling refreshed. Here's some details about how this is supposed to work. It's supposed to leave your mouth and breath feeling refreshed, as I just said. Tastes good without salty aftertaste. Removes surface stains to whiten teeth, and is gentle on tooth enamel. They do recommend that you brush twice a day, floss daily, and visit your dentist regularly. The claim is that using this product will give you healthy teeth and bring out the natural whiteness of your teeth. This is what the Crest peroxide and baking soda looks like in the tube. And I normally don't squeeze it in the middle, but I'm going to show you what the product looks like. I'm an end squeezer. But it has that nice little two-tone look. It tastes really nice. It doesn't strip the inside of my mouth. It doesn't leave a burning sensation. It doesn't make my gums bleed, as I've said. I really do like it. It's just a very good toothpaste. Thanks for watching my review of the Crest. Thanks for watching my review of the Crest baking soda and peroxide toothpaste that whitens the teeth. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share the video if appropriate, and until next time, dental hygiene, and watch all these videos. Thank you. Bye.